clear it first. Come here, I'm gonna show you where to sit. Tuck in the corner. Tuck back there. Sit down. Alright? They're gonna come to you, right? Anybody that comes in that door, you shoot. Come here, come here. Duck down, duck down. There you go. Same thing, look. Same thing. Sit here in this corner. Anybody that comes in here, shoot them, alright? Guns up. Guns up. That's alright. You're doing good. I see him. You didn't get hit. You're not going to get hit. It's got to ricochet, okay? There's no way they can hit you inside here. They're going to come in. You're going to hit them before you, right? You just relax. Make sure that's it. Right there behind that barrel. There you go. I like your spirit, kid. He's behind her.